back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good banana cream pie. Very easy to make, delicious. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until this puffs up and gets done. Easy method. All you need to do is have a little bit of instant pudding, and I got banana cream. So we'll put 2 boxes of Jello mix in there, pudding mix. So I'm going to add in 2 cups and then a cup. 2 cups and a half. This is the next part we'll work on. And I wanted to put it on. Okay, next you want to take 1 whole banana and then we're going to peel it. And then we're going to take small pieces off. Okay, here we go. We're going to put some bananas on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to put that into the oven. Or not in the oven, but the ice box, let it cool down. Come back in a little bit. Look at that beautiful pie there. Almost done with it. Just one more thing to do. We're going to smear some good whipping cream on top. Some good banana cream pie. I love banana cream pie. Okay, now we're going to have to cut us a slice of this so we can. Yeah, look at that. Just take a look at that. Look how easy that was to slice. We're going to do a taste test on there. Look at that banana. Still taste it. Oh my God. That was so easy. So good. Hope you enjoyed watching this video with me as I make this. Easy to do. All you have to do is pudding mix and real simple. I hope you enjoy this, and then thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification, and I'll see you next time.